Whether you're a beginner looking to practice your trading skills or a seasoned trader testing new strategies, a demo account is a great way to get started risk-free. Before we begin setting up a demo account, you'll first need to have MT4 installed. If you haven't done so, don't worry, we have an extensive guide in our previous video that walks you through the entire installation process. If you've already done this, let's proceed with the next step. Begin by logging into your registered broker's website. For this tutorial, we're using XM as an example. Though we're not endorsing or promoting any specific broker, it's just for convenience. The process should be similar with most brokers. Once logged in, navigate to My Accounts section and under the Accounts Overview tab. Under this, select the Demo option. Click Create Demo Account and select MT4. Next, set your leverage and base currency. For the investment amount, let's use a realistic figure of $5,000 US. Remember, this is virtual money that you'll be using to practice trading. Click Continue and enter your password to complete the setup. Once the account is created, you'll receive your login details, including your account ID, platform type, and appointed server. Make sure to save this information, as you'll need it in the next step. If you ever need to refer back, simply go to My Account to access the information again. Open MT4 and go to Log into Trade Account. Enter your account details, select the appointed server, and check the Save Account Information box for convenience. Then click Login. It's that simple. MT4's interface is simple and intuitive, much like the apps you use on your phone. Familiarizing yourself with the platform is essential, since it remains consistent no matter which broker you use. You can also explore the Market tab to find additional tools and add-ons that could enhance your trading experience. For a more in-depth look at the interface and its functions, be sure to check out our detailed guide, where we explain everything further. Now, let's move on to installing the XPower AI Expert Advisor. Our various EAs are designed for different trading markets, depending on their features and strategies. Some of our EAs can be used across multiple markets. The XPower AI EA you have is the Gold version, specifically built for trading gold. First, download the XPower AI EA. Then, open MT4 and select File from the menu bar, followed by Open Data folder. After that, move the XPower AI file into the Experts folder, which is located within the NQL4 folder. Next, update the libraries by adding the provided DLL file to the Libraries folder. Once this is done, refresh the Navigator window. You should now see XPower AI listed under the Expert Advisors section. Open the XAUU SD chart. Drag and drop the XPower AI onto this chart. You have the option to adjust the settings, but we recommend keeping all the default settings turned on to ensure the EA functions properly. Click OK to confirm. Next, go to the Tools, select Options, and navigate to the Expert Advisors tab. Ensure that Allow Automated Trading, Allow DLL Imports, and Allow Web Requests for listed URL are all ticked. Your EA should now be running. You can confirm this by looking for the smiley face icon in the top right corner of the chart, indicating that the EA is active. And that's it. You've successfully set up an MT4 demo account. You're now ready to practice your trading strategies in a risk-free environment. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy trading, and see you next time.